Hi from my sewing room. I'm Chelsea and this is Leah. And we're going to unbox the ultimate fabric cutting system from Accuquilt.
This includes the Accuquilt Go Cutter, a box set of mix and match quilt block dies, a book, a pick for cleaning your dies, and over 70 free patterns.
Holy smokes.
So you've got at least 70 quilts to make before you've used up what comes in this box.
That's awesome.
Which will keep you going a little while, I think.
I've been quilting for 3 years and I definitely haven't made 70 quilts. So
yeah, me neither.
With what's in here, you're good.
You're good for a long
time.
For a while. So let's pop this box open and find out what all comes in the box so you can see all the goodies. So first up is fabulous instructions on how to handle your fabric for best results. As well in this bag, there's the pick for cleaning your dies out. Sometimes they get linty. And an instruction booklet.
Well, I'm seeing in this next one, you can make your own jelly rolls because you have a 2.5-inch strip cutter.
That's fantastic.
That's excellent.
This is a die that's 10 by 24. So you'll be able to fold your quilting cottons that are like 40 to 44 inches wide in half and cut through 6 layers at a time with this cutter.
I see we have a cutting mat for that size cutter, which is great.
Oh, that's awesome. Then we've got Go Cube spelled with a Q. Eleanor Burns' book for mix and match blocks. This is where those 70 patterns will be hiding and instructions of how to work through all of those together.
And that will help you use this guy.
I think we should have that open. I haven't had one of those open yet.
Oh, you haven't opened it? You haven't looked at it?
Do you want to do that? Here.
Yeah, we can do that here. Add those little scissors.
You can.
Oh, here's a nice little hole. Just chop through there.
So if this wasn't quite enough quilt block dies within the box, the 8-inch block mix and match is part of a series, and you could add on 4-inch blocks, 12-inch blocks, and 6-inch blocks. There's a 4-inch expansion pack as well. There's a whole bunch of other quilt block sizes that you can mix and match to make whatever your heart desires, or whatever your fabric tells you it needs to be.
This is adorable. Okay, so this is so cute. Getting Started DVD, pattern book, and cutting mat. That is so excellent.
So it's a 6x6 cutting mat.
Cute.
That will fit over these dies that are 6x6. But they make 8-inch finished quilt blocks, so if you follow the pattern book.
And there's your pattern book.
And that pattern book is in addition to the cube book, as far as I can tell. And a Getting Started DVD. You can watch a brief tutorial
on how to do it. I love how this is packed. This is just so great. Oh, look at that. And it even has a pattern on the front showing you what they're going to be good for.
These are pretty tight in there. It's a nice storage system. It's nice and tidy.
And right here, it actually shows you what you're going to be cutting.
So you open dies 5 through 8. So we've got half square triangles, square on point, parallelograms. Oh, fun. And rectangles.
Awesome.
And this one.
And it even shows you on the ends of the boxes, too, what's going to be in that box. So it's not a guessing game on what you're pulling out.
And dies 1 through 4 in this 8-inch set include, but are not limited to,
just 4.5-inch square.
Which will make a 4-inch finished square if you just need a plain block.
2-inch finished square.
More half square triangles. Oh, those are probably bigger than the next batch. And quarter square triangles.
Cool. Quarter square triangles. That's
nice.
Excellent.
That's something I'd way rather just have cut properly than try and figure out the math to get them the size I want.
That is fabulous.
Start taking off more of the styrofoam. I believe this is what cutter. Oops, more
I
styrofoam.
believe you're right. Okay, if you pull that up, I'll get rid of the box for you.
Comes in a fantastic storage bag, so you can keep the dust off it when you're not using it. But how often won't you be using this? Like, you're going to save yourself so much time cutting.
You probably never put it away.
I don't think I would put mine away.
I don't think I would either.
So this is the mechanical go where you have to turn the crank. Ooh. Little cardboard piece
storage
for
jumping.
storage snuck out. So the way this is going to work, you're going to put your die on the roller, fabric on top of the die, and then the cutting mat on top of that. Hand crank it through, and magic, it'll be cut.
Easy peasy.
So easy. Stay tuned for more Accuquilt videos in our Accuquilt video playlist to see the dies in action, because each one behaves a little bit differently. But if you were to get yourself this ultimate fabric cutting system, this is what you'll go home with. And those 70 quilts, we'd love to see photos of them as you get them assembled. Or mix and match. Like, that's a lot of options.
So many options.
It'd be so much fun. And great way to power through your scraps and whatever else you need to do. So that's what comes in this box. If you like today's video, hit that like button, comment below, and subscribe. Share with your friends if you know somebody that could benefit from some assistance cutting. Anybody with, arthritis, carpal tunnel, struggles to hold a rotary cutter but wants to sew more. This will be a great addition to their sewing room.
Mm-hmm. And it's great for kids.
Oh yeah, my kids could totally cut with this.
They totally could, and it's safe.
Yeah.
You don't have to worry at all.
Yeah. And it'll be accurate.
Yep.
So that's what we have for you guys today. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us.